As a project management expert, I can tell you that the answer is nuanced. Yes, ClickUp has a free forever plan, but it also offers several paid plans. Understanding the differences between these tiers is essential to determine if ClickUp is the right fit for your specific needs. Whether you're a solo freelancer, a small startup, or a large enterprise, the free forever plan, a generous starting point. ClickUp's commitment to accessibility is evident in its free forever plan. Unlike many other project management tools that offer limited-time free trials, ClickUp provides a perpetual free option with a surprisingly robust set of features. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals and solopreneurs. If you're managing personal tasks, small client projects, or a burgeoning solo business, the free forever plan can be incredibly effective. Small teams just starting out. For new teams or those experimenting with project management software for the first time, the free plan allows you to explore ClickUp's core functionalities without any financial commitment. Educational purposes. Students or educators looking to learn about project management tools can utilize the free plan to gain hands-on experience. So, what exactly do you get with the free forever plan? Unlimited users. This is a standout feature. Many free plans restrict the number of users, but ClickUp allows you to invite as many team members as you need. This is fantastic for collaboration, even if the feature set is limited. Unlimited tasks. You can create an endless number of tasks, subtasks, and checklists, allowing you to break down even the most complex projects. Core project views. You get access to essential views like list, board, Kanban, and calendar, which are fundamental for visualizing and organizing your work. 100 megabyte storage. While this might seem small, it's generally sufficient for text-heavy tasks, documents, and light file sharing. For media-rich projects, you might hit this limit quickly. Collaborative docs. You can create and share documents directly within ClickUp, fostering centralized knowledge management. Real-time chat. Communicate with your team directly within tasks or dedicated chat views. Basic time tracking. A native time tracking feature is included, which is often a paid feature in other tools. Limited automation. You get a certain number of automation executions per month, allowing you to automate simple, repetitive tasks. Understanding the limitations of the free plan. While the free forever plan is generous, it's crucial to understand its limitations. These are designed to encourage users to upgrade as their needs grow more complex. Key restrictions include storage limit. The 100 megabyte storage cap can be a bottleneck for teams dealing with numerous attachments, large files, or extensive media. Limited custom fields. Custom fields are incredibly powerful for tailoring ClickUp to your specific workflows and data points. The free plan has a very limited number of uses for custom fields, which can quickly be exhausted for more complex projects. Restricted views. While you get core views, advanced views like Gantt charts, workload view, and mind maps have usage limits or are not available. Limited dashboards. Dashboards are crucial for high-level project overviews and reporting. The free plan offers a limited number of dashboard uses. Basic permissions. On the free plan, all invited users typically have full access, which can be a security concern for sensitive projects. You can't set granular permissions for guests or internal team members. Fewer automation actions. The number of automation executions is lower compared to paid plans, which might restrict complex automated workflows. No advanced integrations. While some basic integrations might be available, deeper and more powerful integrations with other software often require a paid plan. Standard support. You'll typically receive standard customer support rather than priority or dedicated support. When to consider a paid plan. ClickUp offers several paid plans: Unlimited, Business, Business Plus, and Enterprise, each progressively unlocking more features, higher limits, and advanced functionalities. You should consider upgrading to a paid plan if your team is growing. As your team expands, the need for advanced permissions, unlimited storage, and more robust reporting becomes critical. You manage complex projects. Projects requiring Gantt charts, detailed resource management, advanced reporting, and extensive custom fields will benefit immensely from a paid plan. You need advanced automation. To truly streamline repetitive tasks and create sophisticated workflows, the higher automation limits of paid plans are necessary. You require enhanced security and control. For businesses handling sensitive information or needing strict access controls, the granular permissions, single sign-on, SSO, and compliance features of paid plans are indispensable. You have high storage needs. If your projects involve a lot of documents, images, videos, or other large files, unlimited storage becomes a must. You need priority support. For critical business operations, having access to faster and more dedicated customer support can be invaluable. The bottom line for project managers. ClickUp's Free Forever plan is genuinely one of the most generous free offerings in the project management software market. It's a fantastic entry point for individuals and small teams to get organized and experience the benefits of a centralized project management tool. However, as projects grow in complexity, teams expand, and the need for advanced features, reporting, automation, and granular control becomes apparent, upgrading to a paid plan becomes a logical and often necessary step. The key is to start with the free plan, explore its capabilities, and then assess your evolving needs. ClickUp's flexible pricing model ensures that there's a plan to suit various budgets and organizational requirements, making it a viable option for virtually anyone looking to improve their project management efforts.